Bo, be patient. Do you want your first squishy?
Yeah.
Stay on the rug. Don't move. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
Keychain.
Open it up.
It's a box and smiling. I always wanted to get a keychain.
Yeah, open up the package. You can squish it. Bo, did you get a pizza?
Pink pizza.
And Penn, what'd you get?
Popcorn.
Really? This one. Let me see. Oh, cute. Are you sure? Are they aren't fries?
No.
I think they're fries.
No. Popcorn has white and red
Oh,
lines.
true, yeah. Okay, let me see. Ooh, Bo, your pizza looks yummy.
Wait, it even smells like popcorn too.
Really? Oh, they do smell. Whoa.
Does Bo smell like pizza?
Smell it, Bo.
Oh, it smells like pizza.
Yum.
It smells like pizza.
Oh, let me get that off for you, Bo. Can you hold this pen?
Is it shinier?
There we go. Here you go, Bo. All right, who's ready for your next one?
Me.
Bo, do you want another one? Hey, Bo, do you want another one? Okay, set it down. All right, you ready? I think I found a couple good ones. Ready? Are you excited?
Wait, the next one, I want to get the hot dog one.
Don't look, don't look. Ready? Open it up. What'd you get?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Just Bo's is the double one and mine's the little one.
But yours is big guy. Aww, it's cute. Does it smell good?
It has four eyes.
Let me see it, Bo. He's so
Yay.
cute.
Yeah.
Let me see what you got, Bo. Let me see yours, Penn. That's cute. Can you squish it?
Wait, this is just like Ryan's toy squishes.
Really? All right, who's ready for your next one?
Me. Yeah!
Hamburger for Bo and a hot dog for Penn.
Yay! The hot dog! I wanted the hot dog. I wanted the hot dog. Hey, oven was already a little bit open.
Good. Bo, do you need help? I can help you, Bo. No, don't do it with your teeth. Bo, I will help you. Let me do it. Don't use your teeth.
Hey, look!
No, he's got a cute little face.
It's upside down.
Here you go, Bo. Cute.
Oh, now I get the real face. It's a kitty cat hot dog.
Oh, that's so cute. All right. I love your hamburger, Bo.
And it's going like because you hold them like this. So that's where it goes.
Yeah. All right. Are you ready for the next thing?
Yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah.
Cupcake.
Cupcake. Oh, mine has
That's so cute.
like a sour, like it's too sour thing.
Let me see your hamburger.
I can't wait until we get a whole collection of this.
Bo, do you need help opening your cupcake? Penn will help you.
Oh, I see
Penn.
popcorn.
Yep, help Bo.
I can open that for you, Bo. Oh, they helped us open it. Oh, Bo has a pretty good looking face. Nice. And where is mine?
Right there. It's in your stack.
Oh yeah, mine's going away. But Bo's is going a little bit gooder.
Cool, Bo. Penn really likes your cupcake.
Yeah. His face is cool.
That's
His
awesome.
face is pretty
Don't
cute.
tear it. Oh, there you go.
Yay, mine!
Show me, Bo. What'd you get? Cute.
I like my hot dog one.
Yeah. All right. Are you ready for the last thing? You ready, Bo?
Yeah.
You what?
I'm eating popcorn one.
Popcorn
Yay.
and a donut.
Wait, I get bigger popcorn than
I
my
think the
first
other one were fries.
Oh, yeah.
You want me to open your donut?
Hey, where's the face?
I don't think he has a face.
Oh, yeah. Maybe the logo is his eyes.
Oh, look. It's a donut.
Maybe it starts out with faces, and then it doesn't really start out with faces.
How cute is that? Do you like your donut? All done.
I'm done.
Are you excited? Oh, cool.
Wow. Oh yeah, you're right. These are French fries.
Yeah, French fries to go with Bo's hamburger. Yum, yum, yum.
And after that, a hot dog and ice cream afterwards.
Bless you. Don't wipe your face. Not on your shirt. Do you need a napkin? You can go to the bathroom and get a toilet paper. Oh, don't rip it. Do you want me to attach this to your other guy? I can put it on your pizza one too. Or should we attach the fries and the hamburger together? You want that? Okay, never mind. Bo wants it back.
What if we attach these both together?
That's cute. Do you love your new toys?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Dad.
You're welcome. Are you happy, Bo?
Yeah.
Do you love them?
There's no thing that you can catch.
I can help you in just a second, Penn. Wait, you want to line them up? Show what you got. You got pizza. What else? Hamburger. A donut. Oh, here's one of your cupcakes. What other cup? You got an ice cream cone. And you got, what'd you get, Penn? Show me what you got.
Popcorn, French fries. So this one's popcorn, this one's French fries, and this one's hot dog, and this one's ice cream, and this one's a cupcake.
Cute. You guys got a lot of awesome stuff.
We got this is candy.
Hey, Bill, are you feeling pretty lucky? You're so lucky.
I can't stand it, and I have to.
How much can you squish your popcorn?
Okay. This one time.
Okay.
I'll squish. Actually, it's just like.
Okay, no.
That was a small popcorn. Aw, so cute.
Still getting bigger.
Yeah. Now it's big.
That was cool. Does the popcorn smell?
I don't know.
Penn, don't step on your feet.
No. Oh, that's a cute.
Hey, Bo, are you happy?
Dun, dun.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Bo, can you say happy?
Happy.
Bo's happy.
The popcorn smells.
Good. Like your feet?
It smells like French fries. But that one smells like popcorn. Oh yeah, they both smell the same. So maybe they're both popcorn.
No, I think maybe they just smell similar.
But they smell the same.
All
Smell both of them.
They do. All right, can you say bye?
Bye bye. Bye bye.